Hi everyone, I'm Carolyn and I'm an adult services librarian at the West Bloomfield Township Public Library. Today I want to show you something cool in the online catalog called NoveList. NoveList gives you book recommendations based on the books that you search for in the catalog. And you can personalize those recommendations to find your next great read. So starting from the library's online catalog, type in any author or title and click on the result that you want. You can scroll down on the page to see recommendations, or you can click on the See Similar Titles button right at the top. The first thing you'll see is the whole book series in order. You can click on any of these titles to check on their availability. This is really helpful for quickly finding the next book in the series that you're reading. Next is a whole section of Readalikes. First on the left is a list of similar titles. You can click on any of those titles and you'll see why NoveList recommends that book. If you're interested in that book, you can click on Find It and check on the book's availability. In the middle here is a list of similar authors. Just like the list of similar titles, you can click on any author and see why you might enjoy that author's books. You can use these arrows here at the top to browse all of the recommendations. And lastly, on the right is a section of similar series. You can click on any of those series, see why NoveList recommends them, and browse all the titles in the series. Below the Readalikes is a section called Story Elements. NoveList recommends books based on these elements. If you hover your mouse over one of the elements, you can read more about it. And you can mix and match these elements to create a personalized recommendation. For example, if I'm interested in a diverse, atmospheric book, I click on both those buttons and see what NoveList recommends. This section below links to Goodreads, where you can read what other people have to say about the book. It also has information about Lexile and accelerated reader measurements. This is helpful if you're searching for books for a child or teen and you need a specific reading level. Down at the very bottom of the page is this box on the left that will tell you if the book won any awards. You can click on any of these lists to see what other books won the same award. This box in the middle will show you any lists that NoveList has put the book in. This book was included in a list called Fantasy Must-Reads. You can click on that list and see all of the other books in the list. And lastly, you can click on the NoveList tab to see even more resources and recommendations. Okay, so that's how to use NoveList in the catalog. If you feel like you're running out of books to read at home, NoveList is a great way to find a personalized recommendation.